Okay, so the given sequence we have 100, 50, 25, and 12.5. Now, based on the given sequence, that is decreasing order. Okay, same procedure pa rin siya. Kahit increasing or decreasing. Step 1, identify what is A sub 1. 100. Then after that, get the common ratio. How to get the common ratio? Divide the second term by the first term. 50 divided by 100. Ang 100 meron sa 50. Wala, di ba? But we can simplify. Because 50 and 100 are both divisible by 50. So 50 divided by 50, 100 divided by 50. Okay, meaning, kapag ang ating sequence ay decreasing order, fraction ang ating common ratio. What we're going to do? Next step, substitute the given by the pattern. Okay, what is A sub 1? 100. What is R? 1/2. So si 1/2 anak, pwede naman siya i-convert sa decimal. Pwedeng fraction. Anong decimal? Equivalent ng 1/2. 0.5. Pwede maging 0.5 to or pwedeng maging 1/2. Therefore, this is the general rule na po.